Scientists may have solved ancient mystery of the first computer. Whoa, look at this thing. Researchers claim breakthrough in study of 2,000-year-old Antikythera mechanism, an astronomical calculator found in the sea.
Wow, that looks cool.
This is like some kind of I was watching the guy on YouTube, Chris Ramsey. Have you ever seen his channel?
Yeah.
Yeah, with the
Puzzle boxes.
the puzzles.
magic.
Yeah, my kids love that channel. And this reminds me of one of those contraptions.
Yes.
This is very much, you see the cogs and gears and twisting and turning. But I don't know exactly like what makes it a computer here. Let's see. From the moment it was discovered more than a century ago, scholars have been puzzled over the Antikythera mechanism, a remarkable and baffling astronomical calculator from the ancient world. 2,000 years old, hand-powered. It displayed the motion of the universe, predicting the movement of 5 known planets, the phases of the moon, and the solar and lunar eclipses. But how it achieves such impressive feats has proved fiendishly hard to untangle. Now, researchers at UCL believe they have solved the mystery, at least in part, and have set about reconstructing the device, gear wheels, and all to test whether their proposal works and if they can build a replica with modern machinery. Holy cow. Imagine.
Those look like planets over
Yes.
here.
2,000
Is
years
that the
ago.
solar system?
2,000 years ago.
Wow.
You're sitting there and you're like, you know what we're going to build here? We're going to build the world's first computer. It's going to be hand-powered, but it's going to predict the locations of planets accurately.
Yeah, we high five each other and then we build it.
And we just build that.
Yeah.
Holy cow. Lovely. The mechanism, often described as the world's first analog computer, was found by sponge divers in 1901 amid a haul of treasures salvaged from a merchant ship that met with disaster off the Greek island of Antikythera. Battered fragments. I mean, you can see the state of the actual one. Obviously, there's going to be a tremendous amount of work to recreate the working version as it would have been 2,000 years ago. But that will be cool to see when they achieve such a thing because, well, I mean, that's a feat of engineering given the timeline.
Chris Ramsey can take a look at it.
They should send it to him
Uh-huh.
because he's the guy. He'll put the GoPro on and
Yeah.
set it up. And the
He'll figure it out.
the only problem is I think this is not actually a puzzle. It's just,
You give him the pieces.
I think you just hand power it and then it displays the projections. It's like a
Very intricate.
calculator of sorts.
Yeah.
But certainly if there were any puzzle aspect to it, he'd be your guy. He's from, I think he's from Toronto as well, by the
think
way.
so,
We should invite him on this show.
Okay.
We should put a chair right here, invite him on this show. And we can talk about cryptic things and
Sure.